Thank you so much. Great to talk to you as always. A pleasure. And hopefully to see you this month. I will be spent most of this month, October and November, in Europe. So I will be traveling around Europe. At 40 and 80 meters, maybe we'll get some more activity. 73, all the best. Shalom, shalom for now, Boki. S58 Alpha Tango. Echo Sierra 5 TTT. Let me take about 10 more stations in Europe and then I will turn antenna to Pacific. ES5TTT standing by.
Sierra Papa 9 Tango Lima.
Bravo, November, Canada.
Sierra Papa 9 Tango Lima.
Okay, Sierra Papa 9 Tango Lima. Nice to see you again. Big signal 59 plus Thomas Chiquin.
Good evening, Amir. It's really nice to hear you again on the bands. I also 5 and 9 plus 20, 5 and 9 plus 20, Ampro 40, 100 watts. That's my little setup here. Thank you for the short QSO, nice report, and I wish you a good evening.
Roger, SP9 Tango Lima, thank you again so much. Beautiful, 20 over 9, thank you. Echo Sierra 5 TTT, Europe, please.
India, Uniform 0, November, Hotel.